Hello everybody, what is up? My name is Danny. This is SpendLessStore.com YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this little M12 Milwaukee fan. It's like a little workshop desktop fan or mounting fan. Model number is 0820-20. This guy has a couple of different features. So for one, it has 3 settings, which is going to give you more battery life on the lower ones and more power on the higher ones. Also has a nice little base that it pivots on, which is kind of cool. And it even has a battery indicator on the bottom, which is kind of nice. I love that about the M12 stuff. A lot of it has it. And also, for how tiny this thing is, it does move some air. Milwaukee stuff's kind of notorious for being real good for what it is for everything, but this guy particularly, for how small of a fan it is, it really does move some air. And so there you have it. You'll get your battery indicator when you first turn it on, showing you how full your battery is. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you want to win this set, don't forget to subscribe. We will be giving this away to a subscriber at the end of February 2023. Being as small and new of a channel as we are, you probably have a pretty good chance of winning it if you subscribe. So please don't forget to subscribe. This is for a 18-volt brushless drill driver with a 2.0 battery, a bag, and a charger. Thanks again, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. And I mean, on the high setting, guys, from really far away, like even here, I'm probably a solid, I don't know, 12 feet from that fan, and it very, very, very well you feel it still. So it's a really, really good fan for how little it is. If anybody has any other questions, don't hesitate to let us know. It does also have a mounting feature on the bottom, so you can kind of mount it to a 2x4 or a desk or something like that. You can also do it at angles as well. And, so that is the Milwaukee M12 desktop fan or workshop fan, model number 0820-20. Thank you guys so much for watching. If anybody has any future video ideas, please don't hesitate to let us know. We plan on putting these out every day for a long time to come. Also, if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to do so. We are giving away a power tool at the end of every month and to a subscriber at random. So don't forget to boop the like button, subscribe, see our future videos as well. And thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Thanks, guys.